Friends, today I'm going to show you the practicing sheets for the kids, first and second class students, to identify the biggest number and lowest number, and they will find out which one is the lowest number. If we ask them to show the highest number, biggest number, they will show 8. When we ask to show lowest number, they show 8. So 4 is not the biggest number, and 5 is not the biggest number, and 1 is not the biggest number. 8 is the biggest number. Before we are going to give these sheets, they should know the numbers properly, from 1 to 10 or 1 to 20 or 1 to 100. We can give more sheets for them. And so if we ask them to show highest number, biggest number, they show 8. If we ask lowest number, they show 1. Like that, I have taken another sheet like this to show the biggest number. 4 is not the biggest number, 2 is not the biggest number, and 9 is the biggest number. So children definitely like to practice on these practice sheets. If we give more sheets for them, they'll practice on the sheets, and they will know which one is biggest number and which one is the lowest number. And I have made another sheet like this, a heart shape. So if we ask them to show the biggest number, 10 is the biggest, 9 is not the biggest number, so 10 is the biggest one. So this is like a game, and at the same time it's a practicing sheet. So 3 is the lowest number. So we can make many sheets like this for the children, because children feel worry about maths. So if we give like this practicing sheets, they feel free to learn maths so easily and very fastly. So we have to encourage them by making these type of TLM for them, maths practicing sheets for them, like that. Thank you so much. Thank you.